Guys, anybody know? Let me know, please. This one is visible or not. खंगदिए याद रहे Hey, hꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯌꯥꯕ꯭ꯔꯣ No. Hayteda kauba ngasaidagi amta goal da chande. Score 0-0. Woo! Jesus Christ. Wow. Woo! I can't touch me. I'm the high portrait. Don't come my landscape. Come on. Okay, landscape. Come here. This is it. India की fan में हमसे लोए रे comment left से हाय गुमना camera तो तुम happy suggestion है नुंगाई नुंगाई ते कमाइना I think minus is na better मोगी मी में हमसे Money India is blue. Diras yawe, Diras yawe, Diras yawe, Bipin yawe, Manipur again Nipan yawe. Asisu Manipur ne number 12 sisu. No! Woo! Goal Chandri. Yasir Yahweh, Udanta Yahweh. Yes! Diras yaute. Goal Chandri. Hay do emoy kaya nung ay tayo phone pay do pa do. Moy fencing sige. Guys, India se nopti ko, India nopti. Mamang na sana this is the second match. ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯕꯗ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒ ꯀꯇꯥꯔꯒ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯣ ꯆꯠꯈ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯁꯦꯀꯦꯟ ꯃꯦꯠꯆꯅꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯅꯣꯞꯄꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ host team ne sanarise guys Qatar is the host team now it's 23 minutes chatlebako hojik fast break thadri Doha stadium ne yare phaido be on Sunil Chhetri yawe Sunil Chhetri is chalisne okay I will tell you the number okay next to the goal I will show you ase Sunil ne No, no. Let me see guys. What about this? Crossing bro. Resolution. Manipur gi Yashir yaure Bipin yawe adagi Udanta yawe Dhiras yaure Guys, India is blue tiger, which means blue color. They are wearing blue. Dhiras is not here. First yaw de Dhiras. India na hele ya tamama fan kasi. Yes! अरे यार मैं कैसे रखूँ यार सब लोग बोल रहे हैं पोर्ट्रेट में रखो यार लैंडस्केप में रखूँ मुझे गड़बड़ करा दिया कौन सा सही है बताओ ज़रा नाइस शॉट